Okay, I was looking for something to help kind of break down germs. I hate anything in a public place that is like really nasty. So, buses, airplanes, things like that. I always want to make sure there's no germs left behind. So, I recently came across this brand and they are so great. They really prioritize the cleanliness. They're 99.9% effective. I have two different types. I have the fragrance free one, and then I also have another one, the moisturizer and fragrance. I love both of them. To be honest, though, this one smells a little more like alcohol, but I know that it's like doing the job because of the strong alcohol scent, and it doesn't bother me at all. And I'm kind of sensitive to that kind of stuff. They come in an individual package like this. But they come in like bigger sets too. So I have the 15 count. They also have, I think, like 20 something and even 100 count, if I remember right. Yeah, 24, 30, and 100 count. So like depending what you need them for, they have definitely a lot of options. These are perfect for on the go. I keep it in my purse. I keep them in my gym bag. I keep them in my teacher desk. I have so many different places where you'll find a bunch of these because they're so convenient. This is what it looks like once it's opened. It's just like your classic, I think 5x7 wipe, which is a perfect size. And I feel so much cleaner once I'm using this for all the germs and stuff, especially as a teacher. Like, germs are everywhere on my desk. Students are coming up and sitting down and doing all the things. So just a quick wipe, and it's quick and easy, and it's on the go. It's convenient. I also love that they don't leave my hands dry or sticky or like any residue. I have a lot of wipes that will, but like this one, I'm fine if I get it on my hands. It dries really well, and it doesn't leave like a gross feeling. So these are great. The brand sent me these ones and I'm obsessed with them.